All right, good luck, everybody. Here we go. 23 Phoenix Football H2 PYT 331. Gets the player on the last of the H2 numbered parallels. 10 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. We can find autos in here. And I have the 8 H2 exclusive numbered parallels per box. Good luck to everyone in this one. Up next after this is going to be our 23 Legacy Football hobby box. Stick around for that. Even if you're not in the brace, guys, get those guesses in. There's pack number 1. Again, check the item description, guys, of these breaks on eBay for the details on this month's sweepstakes. Isaiah Pacheco. Make sure you guys sign up for our email list on the website too, as eBay is getting rid of the retail breaks. Deshaun Watson, we will be posting those on our website soon. Cooper Kupp, Tyree Wilson rookie. We got Clark Phillips, Josh Allen. We got a filler. We got Dexter, Javon Dexter, and fired up Jalen Hurts. The Dexter is going to be out of 125, 113 out of 125. Keep going to the Bears spot. Legacy PYT 322 coming up next. There's Jordan Love, Treylon Burks, James Cook, Desmond Ridder, Joey Porter Jr., Sam Laporta rookie, Cameron Liatu out of 199, 198 out of 199, and then we have a Silver Najee, not numbered right there for Pittsburgh. So the H2 parallels, you guys are guessing the last numbered of those parallels. There's Mac Jones, Adam Thielen, Justin Fields, Michael Pittman Jr., Zach Pickens, Tajay Spears, Will Anderson, and then we got Sam Laporta on the hot routes. And this one is not numbered. Cam Akers, Nick Bosa, Javonte Williams, DeMarvion Overshown, Will Anderson again, Nick Chubb. There's Javonte Williams. That one's going to be numbered out of 99. 79 out of 99 on the Javonte Williams. No, our H2 parallel, Tyler Algier. We'll open this pack here and then we'll top load what we have. And we got 5 packs left after this one. There's Joe Burrow, Mike Evans, Jared Goff, Damian Pierce, CJ Stroud rookie, Luke Musgrave. There's Myles Garrett H2. This is going to be numbered. That is out of 199, 104 out of 199. Flamethrowers of Geno Smith. Let's get these top loaded here. Now's the time to get those guesses in. Those numbered parallels are coming up. We've already went through 3 or 4 of them so far. There should be 6 per box. There's a link to the website, jackpotbreakers.com. Scroll down about 2/3 of the page. You'll see you can punch in your email address to sign up for our email list. We will email everybody once we start loading up the site with the retail breaks. I believe today is the last day that retail breaks will be allowed on eBay. I did message them. No, it's been almost a month ago now, 3 weeks since they first announced it at the end of January, to get a little more clarification, but they did not respond. So came out with an email later on saying it will be moved to the 5th, which is today. So I would assume today is the last day of those. All right. My stacks lined up here. We'll go through the last 5 packs again. Legacy's coming up next. So if you're in that break, stick around. Six football breaks, 3 baseball breaks tonight. There's Ramondre Stevenson, Baker Mayfield, A.J. Brown, Patrick Mahomes. There's Puka Nacua. How about Isaiah Foskey? We got a filler. There's Deebo Samuel. This one's going to be numbered. That is out of 199. 189 out of 199. Then we have a Geno Smith Thunderbirds H2 parallel, non-numbered. Kenneth Walker, the third. Matt Judon, Josh Jacobs, Michael Mayer, Sidney Brown, the Eagles, CeeDee Lamb. There's a Bijan Robinson. This one's going to be numbered. That is going to be out of 99. 78 out of 99 on the Bijan. Thunderbirds of Devonta Smith. 3 packs left. There's Kenny Pickett, Deebo Samuel, Kirk Cousins, Devon Achane, Dorian Williams, Trevor Lawrence, no huddle, or H2 parallel, non-numbered. Jaron Hall, this one's going to be numbered out of 50, 28 out of 50. Nick Chubb on the contours for Cleveland. 2 packs left right now. Jaron Hall would be the guess, as he's the most recent numbered parallel we have. I don't know if we're going to have any other ones out of these packs. We'll see. There's Jerry Jeudy, Raheem Mostert, Derek Carr, Odell Beckham Jr., Devon Witherspoon, Anthony Richardson, Alvin Kamara. That one's not going to be numbered. That's just the silver. Jonathan Mingo on the hot routes. And the last pack of the break. We have Christian Kirk, Christian McCaffrey, Von Miller, Henry Tioto, Hendon Hooker. We got one of the Genie's ultra rare inserts here. That is Jalen Hurts. Nice hit, and it looks like Herbert's going to be the guess at the break. We haven't hit a Genie's out of the hobby, but we did out of the H2. That's an awesome looking card right there. That's going to the Eagle spot. Those Genies are on a little bit thicker stock as well. Those go in a 55 point. Nice hit there for Philly. And it looks like Justin Herbert's going to be the last numbered H2 parallel. And that is out of 99, 98 out of 99 for the Chargers spot. So if anybody guessed Justin Herbert, you got 20 and credit headed your way. I guess we got one more card to show here. Sorry, guys. That's Josh Allen on the flamethrowers. Nice hit for the Eagles on that Genie of Jalen Hurts. Let's top load, recap, and then we'll move on to the Legacy. That was a fun break. We do have some more Phoenix H2 posted if you guys want to hop in those. Get these top loaded. We'll do our recap in just a moment. We will be back on Wednesday, or excuse me, not Wednesday, Sunday at 9 p.m. Warthog's getting that schedule together. So if you see the link for future break schedule, click on that. See what we have listed. We have some breaks that are already full. We have some breaks with some spots left. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we'll be back with breaks. There's Deebo Samuel out of 199. Geno Smith, that one was not numbered. Bijan out of 99. We got Trevor Lawrence, Jaron Hall. That one is out of 50. 28 out of 50. Anthony Richardson. Alvin Kamara. Justin Herbert was the last number parallel. Anybody guessed him, we would have got 20 credit. 98 out of 99. Liatu out of 199. 198 out of 199. Najee Harris. Will Anderson. H2 parallels, non-numbered. We got Javonte Williams. That one is numbered. That one is out of 99. CJ Stroud. Myles Garrett out of 199. 104 out of 199. Javon Dexter on the purple out of 125. 113 out of 125. And the ultra rare insert Jalen Hurts Genies. That is going to the Eagles spot. Nice hit there for the Eagles. All right, that does it for this one. This was Phoenix H2 PYT 331. Up next is our Legacy Football Hobby Box PYT